What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. This is the Watch 7 44mm Bluetooth variant I have got. This watch recently got the November security patch along with the stability improvements, and now again there is a surprise update available for the Galaxy Watch 7 Bluetooth version here. Let's quickly go ahead and check this out, but before that let me tell you that this watch, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, also received the update, the November security patch, which was the first update that this watch received after the release. And even this watch, the Galaxy Watch 7 regular, also got the November patch a few weeks ago, and now it seems that there is another update available for this watch. Let me just go ahead and show you this. Let's go to the wearable application here, and here all you need to do is just scroll down. Here you will see watch software update. Tap on that. If there is orange dot, it means that there is an update available. Just tap on this, and as you can see, this is the latest update available. In the changelog, it just talks about stability and reliability. The stability has been improved, and the size is about 177.70 MB. The version ends with AXL1, and the security patch level is 1st November 2024. Now let's go ahead and tap on this doc.samsungmobile.com website where we can learn more about this update. When I scroll down here, you see this is the latest update. This is the security patch for 2024-11, which is November 2024. And just before that, you can see there was another update which we received sometime back. The release date was 4/12/2024, which was December, and that update brought in the security patch level for November 2024, as you can see here. So the November update arrived in the month of December, and after that, now we have got another update. The release date is 9th Jan 2025. Probably I'm a bit late here to update you guys about this update for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. The release date is 9th January 2025, which is just about 3 to 4 days ago we have got this update. So this improves the stability and reliability, just in case if you are facing any issues with the watch with respect to the battery performance or the stability issues. I think this update should fix it. So you need to go ahead and check the update on your Galaxy Watch 7 series and update the watch. Now, generally, we get the update for the Bluetooth version first, and then the update will be arriving on the LTE versions. So if you have a LTE version of the Galaxy Watch 7, you may have to wait. I'm not very sure if you already have it. I don't have a LTE version of the watch right here. So this is the Bluetooth variant, a 44mm Bluetooth variant of Galaxy Watch 7 regular, and I have this latest update. Now, if you look at the Galaxy Watch 6 series, this is the Watch 6 Classic Bluetooth variant I've got here. This watch has also not received the update yet. Let me show you that. Let me bring the phone here. This is the latest update that we have. Let me tap on download and install. As you can see, it says the watch is up to date and the security patch level is 1st October 2024. So that is the latest security patch we got on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Post that, there was no other update available. And now the Galaxy Watch 7 regular has got the update. So let's go ahead and update the watch. Let me tap on install now. It's going to take a few minutes to install the update here, and then we'll come back here and see if the watch is performing smoothly, and post that you can go ahead and update the watch. Alright, now the watch has been updated. Let me just tap on OK, and let's go ahead and check out the watch now. Let me just give it a minute to settle down, and then let's see how the watch is performing. Now let me open the app tray here. There's no stutter or lag here. Let me open a few applications. Apps are opening up smoothly. Now let me open the notification tiles here. Yep, it's all very smooth, no stutters or lags at all. Now let me swipe towards the right. Let's see all these tiles here. You see, it's all working very smoothly without any issues. Let me quickly open the quick panel here. No issues at all. So after the update, there is no issue as far as the stutters or lags are concerned. But yeah, in terms of battery performance, we'll have to test the watch for a couple of days and then see how it is performing. I will get back to you guys on this very, very soon. I will be posting a review video, a long-term review video of this watch with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So stay tuned for that video. Now this is all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you have already got the update. If you haven't got it, wait for it patiently. This is going to be the second update after the November patch that you have got for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. Make sure to update and keep all your devices up to date as far as these security patches and stability improvements are concerned. That's about it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe. I create a lot of contents on the Galaxy phones, Galaxy watches, Android applications, etc. You get to learn a lot about your devices. So go ahead, subscribe and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.